Hi friends, this is Roma. Those who are new here, please consider subscribing. Please like my video if it's helpful and stay tuned for our weekly video updates. Today, I'm going to talk about how to forget the past and live in the present. You must have noticed during schools, colleges, and now when we are going to office, in meetings, when someone is presenting and it is kind of boring, then we start daydreaming. Sometimes we think of past or think of future and don't concentrate on what the person is presenting. Why this happens? Why do you find it boring? It's because of lack of interest. But if someone makes the presentation interesting, then what will you do? You will listen to it with attention, right? So, interest is very important. We shouldn't dwell in past. Many of us will be having negative experiences and that thought keeps dancing in our mind. The things bothering you can be small, like saying something you wish you hadn't, your boss scolding you, or your teacher saw you while you are sleeping in class, or even big, like loss in business or the pain of losing your close one. What happens is when we hold on these negative emotions, we can't move on to something more positive. Therefore, it's important to let go and leave the past behind. How do you do that? It is by learning from the mistakes you did in the past and not holding any grudge. Accept the past and move on to positive thoughts. Stop blaming others. What we do when these negative emotions of past come in our mind? Usually, we try to point fingers at others. Because of them it happened, and that makes us feel better temporarily. And we don't try to accept the truth. Complaining is not the solution. It will make you stay in negative zone. Another thing which is very important is to express yourself. When you share your pain with your close ones, you will feel better. In fact, I would suggest talk to the person who you think has harmed you. That will solve most of the problems. Never hesitate to share your pain. Embrace the present. Always enjoy the current moment. Instead of dwelling in the past, focus on what is in front of you. Be positive. Make friends. Do exercises. Meditate. Focus on the present. Live in the moment. Seek out new experiences. Distance yourself from people who demotivate you and make friends with who encourages you to be a better version of yourself. If someone has done bad to you or hurt you, forgive them and forgive yourself for the mistakes that you have done. Unless you forgive them and yourself, you won't be able to move on. Make good memories and have interest in every present moment. As I told you in the beginning, when you have interest, you will listen to what others are presenting. And how you make everything interesting is by living in the present and accepting the past. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon below to get our weekly video updates. I will post videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so stay tuned.